In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a new profile in Visual Studio Code. Before we start, make sure you have Visual Studio Code open on your computer or that you're using the web version at vscode.dev in your browser. You'll also want to have your profile file ready if you're importing one that someone shared with you or one you exported from another setup. Let's begin by going down to the bottom left corner of Visual Studio Code. Here, you'll see the gear icon, which is the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is where you manage most of your editor configuration, and it's also where the profiles feature lives. Once the settings menu is open, look for the profiles option in the list. It might be labeled simply as profiles or profile, current profile, name. Click on profiles. Profiles in Visual Studio Code let you switch between different sets of extensions, themes, and settings, which is really useful if you work on different types of projects or share configurations with teammates. After you've opened the Profiles section, look for a small arrow or drop-down icon next to your current profile name. This is usually a tiny triangle or chevron pointing down. Click on that small arrow to reveal more options related to profiles. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see several choices, including options to create, export, or import profiles. Here, we want to bring an existing profile into Visual Studio Code, so click on Import. This tells Visual Studio Code that you want to load settings from an external profile file or another source. As soon as you click Import, Visual Studio Code will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Follow these carefully. You may be asked where you want to import the profile from, for example, from a file on your computer or a URL. If you're using a file, browse to the location where your profile file is saved, select it, and confirm. The prompts might also ask whether you want to apply all parts of the profile, such as extensions, settings, and UI customizations. Take a moment to read each option so you know exactly what's being imported. When you're done confirming the choices, Visual Studio Code will load the new profile and apply it to your current session. That's all you need to do to import a new profile in Visual Studio Code.